Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trials using conference or Expo promotional codes, follow these step-by-step instructions to leverage event partnerships and maximize your professional development opportunities. Step 1. Before attending a conference or expo, research which exhibitors and sponsors will be present, as these companies often provide trial codes to event participants. Step 2. Register early for the event to receive pre-conference communications that may include early access to promotional codes from sponsors. Step 3. During the event, actively visit exhibitor booths and participate in demos or product presentations, as vendors frequently reward engagement with extended trial codes. Step 4. Collect business cards, brochures, and promotional materials from vendors, as these often contain unique QR codes or printed codes for trial access. Step 5. Attend sponsored sessions and workshops where presenters typically share exclusive codes with attendees as part of their presentation materials. Step 6. Check the event's mobile app or website for a digital exhibitor hall where virtual booths may contain downloadable resources with promotional codes. Step 7. After receiving a code, visit the provider's redemption page promptly, as some Expo codes have limited validity periods or maximum redemption limits. Step 8. Complete the trial activation process and document which tools you've accessed so you can evaluate them systematically before the trials expire. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.